So for the past couple months, I've been losing a lot of money in the stock market. I've been, trading badly. I feel like the market's against me, all of the above. And I kind of wanted to go over, the things that I've been doing wrong, what I've learned from them, and what I'm going to do to fix them. So, quick recap for the day. We shorted MSTR, nothing new. Walked away with about $116 profit. At one point today, we were up about $400. I could have made like a lot more, but uh, my greed kicked in and I ended up giving it all back. And then I took an additional trade after giving it all back and walked away with about $100. Nothing too crazy, just keeping it simple. But one of the things that I wanted to go over that I was doing wrong is trading is like, I think it's like 85% mental. And I haven't been following my rules. I haven't been as disciplined as I should be. And, just making small mistakes along the way. But I've learned from all of those mistakes. And it's like if I go back and analyze like the past month, then, a lot of the ideas that I had, like they were usually winners. Like in a perfect world, like I could have made a killing in the past week because most of the trades that I took were right. I was just too early. I cut losses too soon. Or, I was just so emotionally invested because I had so much money in it that I wasn't, thinking rationally, I guess you can say. And going forward, I think that I'm going to size down and trade with about half of what's in my account and just see if I can, make it back from there. I will say, though, that even though I've been losing like consistently a lot, the losses have been, you know, fairly small. I haven't lost like anything too crazy that's like I can't come back from, but just the consistent losses and losses. And I'm also looking for that big win, and the small losses add up. Like just in my previous video, I made it a couple months ago. I finally like got profitable in both accounts, and how I did that was taking the small wins and not looking for, the big $2,000-$3,000 win, just taking the small ones and keep stacking days and letting them add up. So I gotta just pick a game plan and I gotta stick to it. I gotta stay disciplined. And I think that, all of these losses and stuff is making me like, I don't know how to say it, like less emotional towards the market. Like you lose money, right? I don't really get too upset about losing money and stuff like that anymore. And I know that more losses and more losses are going to come, and I'm ready for it. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here to quickly say that. And I'm going to change a lot of things moving forward. And just another thing too is I haven't been doing this for so long. I mean, I watched a video that I made about last year. I don't think I posted it. It was just, some video I had on my phone, but I had like $2,000 in my trading account at the time, and my biggest loss was $200, which is 10% of 2,000. That's a big loss. But like a year ago, I was trading with $2,000, and now like I'm trading with way more than that. Like, I mean, in the past month, I like 7x'd like that, and then now I'm trading with, like 10 times what that is, a little more. And I think that, like the money went up, like the amount that I trade with, and my skill level is still down here. I still am like a $10,000 trader, but I'm trading with more money and it's making more mistakes. So what I'm going to do to fix that is I'm going to size down. I'm going to stay disciplined. I'm going to have a set dollar amount or a set percentage loss that I can lose every day. If I lose that, then I'm done. I got to learn to walk away. Like today is a perfect example. I was up like $400 and I got greedy and lost it all. And I'm lucky to have made $100 back. But that just goes to show. And I said to myself, like before I made the stupid trade I was like, just walk away. But I don't know. It's a battle with yourself. And, I don't know what kicked in. Some mental part of me or something was like, just go ahead and do it. And then I did it, lost it. And that's kind of what's been happening for like the past month or so. So I just wanted to hop on here and say that to keep myself accountable. I'm negative in one of my accounts, still overall positive, but I got to get this account back right. I got to get this account back positive, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on the journey and how long it takes us to fix these problems and stuff. This video is just for more accountability purposes, and if anybody's out there going through the same thing, just keep pushing, figure out what you're doing wrong, solve the problem. You're not a bad trader. This market is full of chaos. You can't predict everything, and just keep showing up every single day, man. Keep showing up, keep self-analyzing, and you'll get there. Just never quit. I'm never going to give up, and I'm going to watch this video back a couple years, couple months from now, and I'm going to be happy that I made it, happy that I didn't quit. And yeah, man, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day, and hope you learned something.